Hello friends, good morning. Welcome to all of you. Today we are going to the new topic composition of milk. Myself Dr. KD Mori, working as assistant professor in the Department of Animal Husbandry and Dairy Science at Kekewa College of Agriculture Nasik. Firstly, we are study the introduction. It has a nutritive value. Milk has more nutritive value. Then it is a supply to the different proteins, then body forming, bone forming minerals, then health giving vitamins, that is fat soluble vitamins. Then after furnishes energy giving lactose and milk fats. Besides supplying certain essential fatty acids, it contains the above nutrients in an easily digestible form. All this property to make milk is an important food for the pregnant mothers as well as growing children, then adults, then uh, patients also. So, milk uh, contain uh, two uh, important constituents, two types of important constituents, that is major constituents and minor constituents. In that major constituents like water, then fat, then protein, then sugar, that is called as carbohydrates. Okay. In the in milk, the sugar present in the form of lactose. Then mineral matters, that is ash. These are the different major constituents. And minor constituents, phospholipids, then sterols, then vitamins, then enzymes, then pigments, then non-protein nitrogenous compounds and dissolved gases. Whey proteins, uh, milk sugar, that is called as lactose. In main carbohydrates present in milk is lactose. The lactose is responsible for sweetness of milk, and the lactose is 1/6 as sweet sucrose. Milk contain near about 4.5 to 4.9% lactose, and high lactose in cow milk, that is 5% near about. Then after lactose is fermented by bacteria to yield lactic acids and other organic. Then mineral matter and ash. Mineral matter or salt are also present in milk in small quantities. The major salts are present in milk, that is potassium, sodium, magnesium, calcium, phosphate, then citrate, chloride, then sulfate and bicarbonate. These are the major salts present uh, mineral matters present in milk. Then milk deficient in iodine and iron. Okay. Minor constituents. The first is phospholipids. Phospholipids are present in milk in the form of lecithin, cephalin, and sphingomycin. These are the well-known example of phospholipids present in milk. It is a main role of the phospholipids are emulsifying agent and no doubt serve to stabilize to the milk fat emulsion. It serves as an emulsifying agent to stabilize the milk fat emulsion. Then after sterols, the sterols is present in milk is cholesterol. The milk fat content is about 0.32% cholesterol. It is soluble in water. The cholesterol is present in true solution in fat as part of fat membrane complex. The formation with the protein in the form in the non-fat portion of milk. Then after vitamins, the vitamins are organic compounds present in food in very minor quantities. As of today, over 25 vitamins has been reported, those found in milk. The major vitamins in milk, that is fat soluble vitamin and water soluble vitamin. The fat soluble vitamin, the well-known example is vitamin A, D, E, K. These are the fat soluble vitamins, and water soluble vitamins, that is vitamin B complex and vitamin C. These are the water soluble vitamin. In water soluble vitamin, that is B complex, the group is such as B1, that is called as riboflavin, B2, that is called as pantothenic acid, then niacin, then nicotinic acid, niacin, nicotinic acid, then B6, pyridoxine, then B12, cyanocobalamin. Okay, these are the B12 vitamin. Then folic acid and vitamin C. Okay, these are the water soluble vitamin. Then after the enzymes. Enzymes are protein like and specific in their action. They can be inactivated by heat. Then each enzyme has its own activation temperature. The important enzymes present in milk, the well-known example is catalase, then protease, lipase, amylase, and phosphatase. These are the enzymes present in milk. Then pigments. These are the fat soluble carotene, xanthophyll. Yellow color of milk fat is due to carotene content. The carotene is also acts as antioxidants. The carotene are precursor of vitamin A. Then after next one is the non-protein nitrogenous compound. In addition of protein, milk contains some non-protein nitrogenous compounds in milk like urea, uric acid and amino acid. These are the different non-protein nitrogenous compounds. Then dissolved gases. Dissolved gases in milk. The milk contains some dissolved gases like carbon dioxide, then oxygen and nitrogen. These are the dissolved gases. Okay. And then last one is conclusion. Conclusion, milk is a nearly complete food because it contains all the essential amino acids and fatty acids. Milk is a beneficial not only children but also for older, and it is also beneficial to the pregnant women. Then digestibility coefficient of milk fat is 99% because it contains essential fatty acids, that is arachidonic acid and linoleic acids. Okay, these are the composition uh, of milk. Next is the thank you.